Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into an in-depth analysis of Nvidia stock. We'll look at the latest price action, key support and resistance levels, a recent price upgrade from UBS, and discuss some of the cutting-edge technologies Nvidia is working on. Let's get started. First, let's take a look at the latest chart for Nvidia, which shows some crucial levels and potential trading opportunities. As you can see, Nvidia's high of the day today was $130.78, and that's the level we need to break above for the next upside target. Let's break down the key levels on the chart, starting with the upside targets. Immediate resistance at $132.24. A breakout above this level could signal a move towards the next resistance. Next target, $137.32. If the bullish momentum continues, we could see the price heading towards this level. Major resistance at $144.79, which is a significant level to watch if the stock continues its upward trend. On the downside, immediate support at $126.08. This level has previously acted as a support and could provide a buying opportunity if the price pulls back. Next support, $123.20. This is another key level where buyers might step in. A close below this level would increase the odds of a test of $117.70, followed by $114.33 and $106.37, which are crucial if there's a significant downturn. Overall, Nvidia has been showing strong performance during this consolidation phase after such a huge run this year, and these levels will be important to watch for potential trading opportunities. And also, if you'd like to get our Nvidia trades in real time, I'll drop a link to our Patreon in the description below. Another piece of information is that this week's options open interest are seeing considerable volume, with the 132 calls for this Friday saw a $73,280 increase in open interest, and the 130 calls also expiring this Friday saw a $22,931 increase. So we'll be watching these developments closely. Now, let's shift gears and talk about some of the cutting-edge technologies Nvidia is working on that are driving innovation and growth. Nvidia is a leader in AI and GPU technologies, and they're continuously pushing the boundaries. Here are a few of the latest advancements. Nvidia H100 Tensor Core GPU. This next-generation GPU is designed for AI and high-performance computing, offering unprecedented speed and efficiency. It's expected to significantly enhance the performance of AI models and large-scale data processing. Omniverse platform. Nvidia's Omniverse is an open platform for virtual collaboration and real-time simulation. It's being used to create digital twins of physical environments, which can revolutionize industries like manufacturing, architecture, and entertainment. Drive Atlan. This is Nvidia's latest AI processor for autonomous vehicles, boasting over 1,000 trillion operations per second. It integrates advanced AI capabilities with safety and efficiency, setting new standards for the automotive industry. These technologies are just a glimpse of what Nvidia is working on, and they highlight why the company is at the forefront of tech innovation. That's all for today's video. What do you think about Nvidia's stock and their latest technologies? Are you bullish on Tesla following the UBS upgrade? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest market analysis and tech news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.